Mirrors on the wall, here we are again. Through my rise and fall, you've been my only friend. You told me that they can't understand the man I am. So why are we here, talking to each other again?
We don't have to live frustrated because it's not happening on our timetable. I don't have to be discouraged thinking I'm missing out, I'm getting too old, I'm never going to get to where I'm supposed to be. No, if you'll stay in faith, those promises won't be 1 second late. Maybe you're single and you have a desire to get married. Well, know this, the person that God has picked out for you to meet, they're not going to be 1 second late. You're going to meet them at the exact right time. It's already been set. The Creator of the universe has ordained it. When is the set time? It's the right time. It's when God knows that it's best for you. If you're like me, you want everything right now. God, I want it fast. God, I'm in a hurry. God, I don't want to be left out. That's not always the best. Sometimes it's because we're not ready.
Mirrors on the wall, here we are again. Through my rise and fall, you've been my only friend. You told me that they can't understand the man I am. So why are we here, talking to each other again?
As we wait with the right attitude, we grow, we mature, we develop. Or sometimes it's not us, it's the other person. The one God has ordained for you is not ready. God is still doing a work on them. If you were to meet them right now, it wouldn't work out. Trust God's timing. He knows what's best. When He gave you the promise, He established the exact right time. And when those lies come, saying it's never going to happen, you're never going to meet anybody, you're never going to get well, you're never going to have an exceedingly abundantly above and beyond decade. No, don't believe the never lies. Our attitude should be, I may not see a way, but I know God has a way. He's the one that put the promise in me. He gave me the dream, and I know He's already established a set time.
Here we are again. Through my rise and fall, you've been my only friend. You told me that they can't understand the man I am. So why are we talking to each other again? Mirrors on the wall, here we are again. Through my rise and fall, you've been my only friend. You told